Eto, mga sangkay, tingnan po natin kasi nagkakainitan daw po ngayon doon sa impeachment trial. Hello, what's up guys? This is me. We are back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ito, pag-usapan po natin ngayon mga sangkay, ang mainit na update tungkol po sa kalagayan ng impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Kasi nakakainitan daw po yung mga abogado ngayon. Aba, ano yan? Pag-usapan po natin, sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe guys, subscribe nyo na po yung ating YouTube channel para lagi po kayong updated sa mga komento po natin, sa mga vlog po natin, komentary po natin, sa mga nangyayaring issues sa Pilipinas. Alright? Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay, alright. So, ito na. Tingnan po natin to kasi mainit-init daw po yung makbakan eh. Eto.
Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
I don't
Council,
think I need to lecture
please.
you that.
Your Honor, please, can
Okay, bago yan mga sangkay, dito po muna tayo. Kasi kanina pa daw to nagkakainitan mga sangkay.
All right.
Ito po yung lawyer ni VP Sara. At viral po yan sa social media. Kasi nasabi nga po nila, matalino daw po, napakagaling daw po ng abogado ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Well, tingnan mo natin kung gaano totoo yan.
Sige, we will flash this AOMs, no? Kasi nga si Mr. Wamil nga yung nag-prepare nung iba sa kanila, no? Sige.
Ito po yung witness, mga sangkay.
May we know from counsel which AOM she will be flashing? Is it the defendant's document or the prosecution's document?
Hello.
Ito, ano na to, mga sangkay. Veterano na po na abogado.
Because the defendant's documents were not identified nor presented to this witness, Your Honor. Then if counsel wants to confront the witness with documents she has identified, she has to use the prosecution's evidence because that was the one identified by the witness. If she now intends to present the defense documents, they are not documents that have been identified nor authenticated by this witness during her testimony. We will
She can confront
have a continuing objection. Excuse me, counsel. We will have a continuing objection to their presenting their documents which have not been identified by the witness. They are AOMs. AOMs have been identified by the witness, but these are prosecution's AOMs, Your Honor. May I suggest, Your Honor, to the defense counsel, since she refused for us to use the defense witnesses, that she uses now the prosecution's documents.
That is up to her, counsel. She may confront the witness with her copy of the AOM. I'm sure she would be competent to testify whether these are the same documents earlier identified as exhibits for the prosecution or not. Counsel,
Yes.
you may proceed.
Yes, correct, Your Honor. And their AOMs, we did not dispute those. So we have the same copies, Your
Can
Honor.
we then,
Proceed, counsel.
in
Proceed.
connection with that, Your Honor,
Hello.
since counsel admits that
Hello.
our AAMs are their defendants' AOMs, can we just use the prosecution's copies, Your Honor?
But, Your Honor, we have prepared,
Counsel,
visual
counsel.
aid using
Show them, show the document.
Yeah, I'm...
Ang taray, no? Alam niyo, nakakamiss dito si Senator Miriam, no? Talagang nakakamiss po pagdating po sa ganitong klaseng trial. Kasi naninigaw po talaga yun. At saka namamagalit yun kapag ka mahina yung utak mo o di kaya gumagawa ka lang ng kung ano-anong mga depensa o di kayang naglalatag ka ng mga mali-maling ebidensya o mga tanim witness. Ay, naku po, talagang sinasabon ni Senadora Miriam. Kaya nga lang, wala na tayong magagawa, mga sangkay.
I am showing the defense document.
No, we will
No,
not agree,
Your Honor, the counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed with
Honor.
my cross-examination. Can the counsel, Your Honor, be reminded that I'm on
counsel,
We
cross-examination?
will not agree, Your Honor, to
What are you not agreeing
presentation
to,
of the
Attorney
defense
Kapunan?
documents.
I'm sorry?
Because precisely there was no stipulation yesterday.
There was, Your
Now
Honor,
constrained. Excuse me, counsel.
Excuse me, counsel.
Allow her to finish,
They are
counsel.
now constrained, Your Honor. I'm sorry. They are now constrained to use our documents precisely. This is what we wanted to avoid yesterday. Had we did a comparison, not to belabor the obvious, Your Honor, but now counsel says, anyway, it's the same. So if it's the same, what's the objection to using the prosecution's document?
Counsel, that water is already under the bridge. You may request assisting counsel to check the copy being presented to Ms. Eileen, and you may make this the subject matter of your redirect later on. Allow counsel to present.
Thank you, Your
The presiding
Honor.
officer will allow the counsel to present that document, but notes the continuing objection of Attorney
Thank you, Your
Kapunan with
Honor.
respect to this matter.
Thank you, Your
Attorney
Honor.
Christine, you may proceed.
Okay, so mainit ang bakbakan mga sangkay. Ito. Ito yung pinaka harapan nila mga sangkay.
Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsel,
I don't To lecture
please.
you that.
Ang kulit na ito eh.
Questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsel,
I don't think I need to lecture
please.
you that.
Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed? You just answer with yes or no. The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions
Your
later
Honor,
during
not all
redirect, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Pero nagtataka lang din ako, no, si Madam, kino-cross-examine po ng lawyer ni Sara Duterte yung witness. Pero bakit parang ayaw niya pong gawin yun? Parang hinaharangan po niya, mga sangkay, no? Parang kulang na lang sabihin, huwag mong tanungin. Hayaan mo sa magpaliwanag, huwag mo siyang tanungin. Parang ganun.
Counsel,
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom.
Namagitan na po si Senator Cheese.
Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor. That is what I would
Your
have
Honor,
done
please.
Again,
in
again,
the
counsels.
generational divide, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
counsels, you are all members of the bar, and
Yes,
you're
Your Honor.
all counsel.
Kaya nakakami si Madam, si Senadora Miriam eh.
I
for the
submit,
parties. And we will be treating and looking at each one equally. At Miss
I will-
Eileen.
Yes, Your
Um,
Honor,
it's also-
I promise to henceforth behave.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
can I please respond quickly lang, no? I have high respect for Attorney Kapunan. In fact, she's one of
You
my
can end there,
idols.
counsel.
Let's end here.
You can end there.
This
with
might
that
sound like
respect.
it might sound like a eulogy, Your Honor. I'm still very much alive.
Your Honor, kahapon niya, hindi ko nga siya kinukulit, di ba? Kahit may mga questions na doon na leading, hindi naman allowed yun sa direct examination eh. I respected her.
You can end there, counsel, if you
Yeah,
respect
thank you.
her.
Okay, so, ayun mga sangkay, banggaan ng dalawang abogado, kabila ang kampo. Pero para sa inyo mga sangkay, ano ba yung si Attorney Kapunan, ano ba yung niya mga sangkay, atake? Kasi parang, ang tingin ko dun parang hinaharang niya na magtanong si Attorney Ferrer. At what do you think, guys? Tama ba yung ginagawa ni Attorney Kapunan? O tama si Attorney Ferrer? Mainit, umiinit yung bakbakan mga sangkay. Itong impeachment trial ni VP Sara. Ano po ang inyong opinion? Comment down below. Meron tayong YouTube channel. Ito po isang Revelation. Hanapin niyo po ito ngayon sa YouTube. Kapag nakita niyo na, i-click niyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click niyo po yung all. Ako na po ay magpapaalam. Mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.